Hello friends! Is your car suddenly losing power, misfiring, or shaking while driving? If your check engine light is showing code P0363, your engine might be going into cylinder deactivation mode due to excessive misfires. This issue can lead to major performance loss, poor fuel economy, and even damage to your catalytic converter. In this video, we'll explain what P0363 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. P0363 stands for Misfire Detected, Fuel Cutoff. This code appears when your car's powertrain control module, PCM, detects continuous misfires in one or more cylinders. To protect the engine and catalytic converter, the PCM automatically cuts fuel to the affected cylinder or cylinders. This is a serious issue that needs to be fixed immediately to avoid long-term damage. Common symptoms of P0363 include check engine light, cell, on, engine misfires and rough idle, sudden loss of power while driving, shaking or vibration from the engine, poor acceleration and hesitation, higher fuel consumption, possible engine stalling. Ignoring this problem can lead to expensive engine repairs. To diagnose P0363, you'll need to inspect multiple components related to the ignition and fuel system. Key locations to check include crankshaft position sensor, CKP, usually located near the bottom of the engine, next to the crankshaft pulley or flywheel. Camshaft position sensor, CMP, found on the cylinder head, near the camshaft gear or timing cover. Ignition coils and spark plugs, located on top of each cylinder, directly connected to the spark plugs. Fuel injectors, typically found on the intake manifold, connected to the fuel rail. Here's a handy tip. Use a diagnostic scanner to identify which cylinder is misfiring. If the misfire is specific to one cylinder, focus on that cylinder's coil, spark plug, and injector. Now let's dive into the common causes of the P0363 code. First, faulty spark plugs or ignition coils. Worn out or damaged spark plugs and coils can cause misfires. Second, bad crankshaft or camshaft position sensors. If these sensors fail, the PCM can't properly control ignition timing. Third, clogged or failing fuel injectors. A blocked injector prevents fuel from reaching the cylinder. Fourth, vacuum leaks or intake manifold issues. Unmetered air entering the engine can disrupt combustion. Fifth, a weak fuel pump or low fuel pressure. If the fuel system isn't delivering enough fuel, misfires occur. And finally, timing chain or belt issues. If timing components are worn out, ignition timing may be off. Alright, let's move on to the steps to fix the P0363 code. Step 1, use an obd2 scanner to confirm the code and check for other misfire-related codes. Step 2, inspect the spark plugs and ignition coils. Replace them if they are worn or damaged. Step 3, check the fuel injectors for clogs and clean or replace them as needed. Step 4, test the crankshaft and camshaft position sensors. Replace them if they are faulty. Step 5, check the fuel pressure to ensure the pump and injectors are working correctly. Step 6, inspect for vacuum leaks and fix any cracked hoses or gaskets. And Step 7, clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive. P0363 is a serious misfire-related code that causes fuel cutoff to protect the engine. If left unchecked, it can lead to catalytic converter damage, poor performance, and high repair costs. Fixing it early can save you from expensive repairs. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0024, camshaft position timing over advanced, bank 2, and P0025, exhaust camshaft position, timing over retarded, bank 2. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.